What's up, you guys, and welcome back to another video. So as you can already tell by the title, I am going to be doing a holiday makeup look, I guess you could say, because you know today is the 23rd, but I probably won't post it till tomorrow, whatever. Well, just know that Christmas is in like 2 days, so I decided to do like a holiday look, and this is also to help me get ready for tomorrow to see like what kind of look that I want to do, because my family and I, we normally celebrate Christmas Eve, like that's when we all get together and we have like our family party, and then you know Christmas Day we just chill because like we all grown now, so it's like. But if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's either right here or right here, I'm not sure, but make sure you turn on that notification bell too, so that way you can know when I post a video and you'll be like the first to watch. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so the look that I'm going to do is more of a Christmassy look, but also more of a natural look, because like I'm not, when it comes to color and everything, I'm not like the best at like finding the colors that work with each other. I did get a new palette from my girl Nikki. This is the Morphe palette. It's 35V. So look at this, honey. Popping. All those colors are popping, and these colors over here, they're shimmery. Let's see if you can see. Look at the shimmer on that. Look at the shimmer. Like, so, and it's crazy because I was just saying that I want a shimmer look like for my eyes for Christmas, and she got me this for Christmas. So like, shout out to Nikki because she's the best. And she also got me this lip gloss. It's like a home, let me see. Bam, look at that. Is it upside down? If it's upside down, like at this point I'm not even surprised. But look at that. It's like a hint of pink, but it has like glitter in it, and it's bomb. I already did my eyebrows and everything, and I haven't done a makeup video in like quite some time, because if you've been watching, like if you're already subscribed to my channel, what's up, sis? But like you already know, like my past few videos have been about my hair and like how I achieved this wig. And I did not post a video on how I dyed it this color yet, but that is on the way. So I kind of like paused on the makeup thing and was like more focused on like the hair and like doing a hair review. And then I got a new tattoo, which I'm so excited about. Like now I want some more. I want one like on my shoulder, right here, on my thigh. I have like so many places where I want to get my tattoo, or my next tattoo. But I'm talking too much, so let's get started in the video part of me adding some poreless face primer by e.l.f. Not sure if you can see. It don't want y'all to see clearly. I'm gonna just put this on my face. Not too much though, because I don't need a lot, you feel me? And I am looking like in the screen part of my camera. If y'all want me to do like a eyebrow tutorial, like an updated version of my eyebrow tutorial, let me know in the comments. Or, you know, like I always say, DM me, text me, message me, all the other good stuff, you know, and I'll do it. I'm gonna start off with the eyes. I'm gonna use my Fawn concealer, Pro Concealer, you know, LA Girl. I think this is, yeah, LA Girl. So
this is what I normally do, right? Like I forgot. It's been so freaking long.
then I'm just taking a regular little brush that I always use like for my eyebrows when I use the concealer, and I'm just gonna take this just to like spread it out on here. Okay, and I also just realized I still have on lashes, but these aren't the lashes that I'm going to be using for this look, so I'm just going to take them off. After I put the concealer over my eyes, I'm just going to take my, I think it's Collab setting powder. What is it called? Yeah, loose setting powder. And I'm just going to put that over my eyes just to like set it, but I'm not going to use too much because why would you use too much? Like, bam. So now that I feel like it's real bright over there, it's looking real bright. Now that our eyes are set, I am going to get out my brushes and see. Ooh, why my ear look like that? I low-key want to get this pierced, my cartilage, but I'm scared. My eyes look brown today. Like, they not like that in real life, so don't be fooled. Let's do a Kiki appreciation moment. Let's just look at that green, you feel me? When I did this, I did not think the green was like gonna look right on my skin. I didn't think it was gonna come out right. But look at me now, sus. It is very cute. I am very proud of myself. The eyeshadow palette that I'm starting off with is gonna be my box of crayons, and I'm gonna be using this red. Right? Yes, I'm gonna be using this red, and I'm just gonna put it up in here, kind of like a little, a little hint. You feel me? Look at how that came out. Like, whoa, that's more than just a hint. But let's go. And another thing I'm noticing, like, there's no fallout with this. Like, I'm putting it on my brush and it's going directly on my face. Like, if you look at the palette, you don't see no, like, little red dots. Well, not dots, but, like, little red droppings. Like, okay. So, the next color I was gonna do is tan, but the only thing with tan is, like, the way I'm set up, my skin complexion blends in with everything, and this is something that I don't really want to be blended in with, but we still just gonna go through and put it on. It's the same palette, y'all, just in the shade tan right here. The setting powder. This is kind of giving it like that, like, you see that red, but it's like a faded type, you feel me? Like, it's fading in there. I'm gonna switch over to my Morphe palette. I think I'm gonna use this right here. Can you see this color, like, on the outside, and kind of give it a different look. Now, y'all, I'm using the Morphe palette. I'm just using the Crayola box one for the mirror. Let's give it like an orange vibe. So what I'm gonna do now at this point is I'm gonna start on my creasing. If I had to go through all of this, I would have had to wake up like super early just to like get the look that I want. And honestly, I'm probably still not even gonna do all of this. I'm probably just gonna do like a basic color, because this right here is doing the most. I'm just gonna use the same brush that I use for whenever I'm doing anything with concealer, and I put it on my hand so that way I don't put too much. Okay, so as you guys can see, I added like this little gold shimmer here and like a little brown shimmer there. You probably can't really see because of the light. If you can't tell, I did kind of like fade the red out. I said fade, yeah, that's right. I faded the red out with some more of this tan color because I felt like it was too much red, and I said I wanted it to be like a hint of red. And I feel like my camera is still about to die. I tried to like, you know, charge it up a little bit, but it's still whatever. I'm just gonna take this gold right here and just put it in there because I don't know what else to put right there. Ooh, I put too much on there. That actually don't look too bad. This is my Revlon Color Stay Liquid Liner. I think I got it from Target. Okay, so now that the liner and everything is done, like, I'm not sure if the camera is picking up what my phone camera picks up, but baby, I think I might have just did something real quick, you feel me? This is a Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation in the shade Mocha. Just gonna put it, ooh, that was kind of a bit much. And what I also like to do is, and I learned this from my girl Kyla, just spray some setting spray on the foundation brush, like as you blending it in, because I think she said it gives it like a smoother look. I'm not sure, I just did it because she said it helps, so here we are. I just realized I still haven't put lashes on. I feel like the eyes are not complete if you don't have lashes, like especially if you're doing like a dramatic look. Well, not really dramatic, but like a bolder look. You definitely need lashes. That like makes the eye. Okay, so the lashes are applied. This one keeps getting stuck on my bottom lash, but the lashes are applied, and I didn't use anything other than just like eyelash glue. I'm gonna take the same concealer that I pretty much use for everything and just like do like, you know, not really sure why I do it. I just do it because I see people do it, and yeah. Oh my god, she is the best. Like, Victoria, you are the best. And one day, I just feel it in my, I know I look a little crazy right now, like talking to you, but I just know in my heart that one day we're gonna collab and we're gonna be like some big YouTubers, and I can't wait. Comment on every one of my videos. You watch every single one, and like, you know I support you because you support me, and I just want to give you like a good shout out. I know I look crazy and my eyelash, like the glue keep getting stuck to my bottom eyelash, but girl, I just want to tell you, like, and I can't wait for that day because I know we're gonna be lit together. So after you have like all this concealer and everything on your face looking a little crazy, you're gonna take a beauty blender and you're just gonna blend all of that out. This part takes a long time too. It took me forever to find this Airspun translucent powder. So, oh dang it, and my freaking camera is still about to die. So I'm gonna get what I can, and I'll show y'all the end results like once I'm done. Like, this is bad. This is really bad. This is for like the spots that I put like the concealer. This is to like make it not look so shiny. This is to kind of give it like a matte finish. And I really need it because like my face is naturally like oily, so I needed anything that'll help it not be so oily. And then like with a lot of the foundations, those come like, they have like oil to it, so it makes it a little oily. Y'all, I'm gonna do a review on this hair because This is some good hair. Okay, so back to you guys. So I do have the translucent powders still on my face. So I'm gonna go in with my contour kit by Kiss. One of these days I'm gonna upgrade and get like a better one. What on earth did I do with my contour brush? So let me just tell y'all how I went in my room to go look for this brush, which was sitting right here in my face. So I'm mad because, just because I'm using this darker shade right here because that's like the darkest one I have. So then I take my big fluffy brush and I'm just gonna wipe away the powder and blend in the contour. So yeah. Y'all, I started making this video at 12 and it is now 2:21. Like, but I blame my camera because it kept dying. Almost done, honey. Now, one of my favorite parts is the highlight. And if y'all don't already know, I never put the highlight on with the right brush. I always start off with, where's my favorite little brush? Highlight is like one of my favorite things to do. I put it on with this brush. I start off with this brush and then I get my fan brush, wherever that is. But normally I go through and with that same powder I used to set my eyeshadow, or the concealer for my eyeshadow, I take it and just put it on my face just to set it a little bit because I don't, like I said, I don't want it to look all oily and shiny and stuff. And I know that air spun is supposed to help, but I feel like it makes me look a little bit brighter than what I normally am. So I'm just gonna take that and kind of like, just, you know, put it on my, you know. My camera's about to die again. Okay, so I added some blush. I just felt like it was getting a little too pink. I added some shadow under my eyes, and I'm about to hurry up and put this lip gloss on because this little thing is blinking, telling me to like hurry up. So I'm hurrying. So I'm doing the bottom one like that, and I'm gonna do the top one with the one Nikki got me, and I'm just gonna like blend it in. Let me see. I hope I don't look crazy. Okay, this is all complete. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, hey girl, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and leave a comment, and I will see you in the next video.
Gonna go bikey on the beat, bikey, bikey on the beat, bikey. Gonna go bikey on the beat, bikey, bikey. Oh, come on, bitch, you gonna